In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Capcut to upscale your videos to achieve the best possible quality. We'll walk through the entire process from starting your project in Capcut to exporting with high resolution settings. Let's jump right in and transform your video content. Firstly, you'll need to open the Capcut app, which is a powerful and user-friendly video editing platform available for both mobile and desktop. Once you've launched Capcut, go ahead and either create a new project or open an existing one that you'd like to work on. This is where you'll be able to make all the enhancements needed before upscaling. The next step is to import your video clip into the timeline. Simply tap on the import option and select the video you wish to upscale from your device's storage or your previous projects. With your video now set in the timeline, you're ready to move on to the critical part of the process, adjusting the export settings. Towards the upper corner of your workspace, you'll notice a drop-down arrow situated next to the export button. Tap on it to reveal the export settings. This is where you make vital adjustments to enhance your video's final output quality. In the export settings, the first thing to focus on is selecting the highest resolution available. Depending on your project and its original resolution, you might see options like 1080p or even 4K if supported. Choosing a higher resolution ensures that your video maintains high clarity and detail, particularly beneficial if your audience will be viewing it on larger screens. Once you've selected the resolution, the next setting to consider is the frame rate. If your video supports it, opt for a higher frame rate such as 60 frames per second. A higher frame rate can make your video appear smoother and more professional, enhancing the viewing experience. It's particularly effective for fast-paced videos like action scenes or sports highlights where motion clarity is crucial. Having set the resolution and frame rate, you're now ready to export your newly upscaled video. Simply tap the export button. Capcut will process the video with the newly configured settings and save it to your device. Make sure your device has enough storage space for high resolution video files, as they can be quite large, and that's it. Your video has now been upscaled and saved in high quality, ready to be shared across platforms or viewed by a wider audience. Remember, leveraging these settings within Capcut will allow you to showcase your content in the best light, ensuring every detail is crisp and vibrant. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps enhance your video editing skills. See you in the next tutorial.